So, hello everyone. I'm Manjunath C. I'm an intern at the Sparks Foundation in the graduate rotational internship program working in the domain talent acquisition. So, I was assigned with a task to post job readiness article in the various platforms like LinkedIn. So, here's the article: skills for entering into a new job. One is the for the pre-COVID era, and the other one is for the post-COVID era. In the pre-COVID era, we were required to have basic computer skills, good communication skills, and basic intermediate written and oral English speaking skills. So basic technical things. These were common to both the eras, but we need to have very good knowledge of technologies and software in the post-COVID era, as well as to be a good team player. Now I've given some to-do list in the while writing a resume. Do not make longer pages resume. Do not include random off-putting hobbies. Do not use more than two fonts. Do not omit any contact information. Do not spend all your time on the design. Do not include references on your resume. Do not send it as a Word document. So, how college students can be made job ready? Treat your college as a job, talk to your professors, practice active listening skills during lectures, use group project to practice leadership skills and teamwork, learn to love challenges. Now, there are some top 10 employability skills which are preferred by most of the employers, like positive attitude, team player, being confident, self motivated, effective communicator, flexible, works under well pressure, being organized, strong work ethic, dependable. Now, I've also created a slide on how to master a virtual interview because we are living in the post COVID era. So, set the scene and minimize distractions. Find a room where there is no disturbance. Ensure that the area is tidy and organized. Now, test your technology. Check whether you have right internet connectivity before the interview starts and not at the time of the interview. Sit down, prepare yourself, don't memorize anything, be calm. Do some kind of mock interview with a friend or family member who has experience in interviewing people. Be prepared to answer the questions calmly and do your research of the company before you interview. Be yourself, be expressive with your responses. Don't lie during an interview. So that's what I have done in regard to the task that was job readiness article. So thank you everyone. But I have shared this as in the slide share. Now let me show you through the comments that I have received for the article which I posted in LinkedIn. This is the article that I have done. That's things required for getting hired, how to be job ready, how to create a resume, and also do check out my article. The same article I've put an article in the paragraph format and shared it in Medium. I'll just show it to you. So this is the article which I have posted it in Medium. The things which we all need to be aware of regarding job readiness, I have given it in Indian employment context. So this is the article which I've posted a link for this in the LinkedIn article. I've given points which are necessary in order to be aware of for the employability skills which we are supposed to know, the competency clusters which are supposed to know, and the essential skills which are very much required for the job market, especially in this COVID time. That is communication readiness and the better personality, resume readiness, what to put on our resume and what not to put on our resume, how an ideal resume should be. So I put all these things as an consolidated in a single article. That is the job readiness article, and I've posted it in Medium. I've also given a link to this Medium article in my LinkedIn post. And I also put all the whatever slideshow I just previewed now is been uploaded in SlideShare. And anyone who are interested in this kind of internship can also enroll through this link. To apply for graduate rational internship program, we can go through this link. And so the comments which I've received so far are, the article was written precisely and neatly structured, all the key points were covered. So these are the comments which I have received. People have appreciated my work and it's quite encouraging. So that's all. I've got enough comments and I've finished my task. Thank you all.